discuss today's topic regarding our IP address, and this IP address which is in general considered as my IP version 4. And in this IP version 4 we have two different types of notations. So one is our binary notation, and next we have my decimal notation. With respect to binary notation, we have 32-bit representation, and in case of decimal fields, we have 4 different fields of notation. And with respect to this, so we can tell that with the usage of my 32-bit binary, we can represent the block of addresses. For example, let us consider the address 24.34.34.33/26 is one of the IP address given. For this IP address, we need to find its first address, last address, and as well as my block size. To find these three scenarios, that is my first address, last address, and the block size, let us see the steps what we can do. To find the block size, we have the formula 2 to the power of 32 minus n, and we are going to get the value of n from our /n notation, whatever it is given. So we have 2 to the power of 32 minus 26, which gives me 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 6 is the number of addresses or else our block size. So 2 to the power of 6 I can calculate as 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2 into 2 to the power of 2, which gives me 4 and as well as 4, which is considered as 64 addresses. So in the given IP address of the sample address given, I can tell that the number of addresses in that particular block is 64 addresses first. To find the first address of the given block size, the easiest way is to replace 32 minus n number of, that is 32 minus 26, so 6. So 6 number of zeros to be replaced from our LSB after converting the given IP address into its equivalent binary. So if we convert the first address, this field remains same, 24.34.64. If I replace this last 6 digits of binary into zeros, straight away this becomes my 0. So my first address in the given block is 24.34.64.0. Similarly, to find the last address, exactly reverse to this. This 32 minus n number of ones it has to be replaced. So in that scenario, so we will be having 24.34.64.63. So 6 ones, that gives me 63. So this is my first address and this is my last address, and the block size we got as 2 to the power of 32 minus n, that is 64 addresses. Thank you.